This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your NBN modem step by step. First, carefully unbox your new NBN modem and ensure all parts, like cables and power adapters, are present. Next, identify the NBN connection box or wall socket in your home, which is usually labeled. Then, use the supplied NBN cable to securely connect your modem to this wall socket. This initial physical connection is crucial for a successful setup. Now, it's time to power up your modem. Take the power adapter and plug one end into your NBN modem and the other into an available electrical wall outlet. Switch on the power at the wall socket. You'll then see various indicator lights on your modem begin to flash. Please allow approximately 2 to 5 minutes for these lights to stabilize, indicating a successful connection to the NBN network. With your modem powered on and connected, you can now link your devices. For a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer or Wi-Fi router directly to one of the modem's LAN ports. If you prefer wireless, locate the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password printed on a sticker on your modem. Use these details to connect your smartphones, tablets, and other wireless devices. Finally, let's test your new NBN connection. Open a web browser on a connected device and try visiting a popular website like a search engine. If the page loads, congratulations, your setup is complete. If you encounter issues, first try restarting your modem and double-checking all cable connections. If problems persist after these steps, it's best to contact your internet service provider for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.